Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. All right, I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. I do see some bug stains on the front. That's it. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks fine, and the wheel is in good condition. Move on to the driver's side doors. Okay, the front door looks fine. I just see a small door ding right there, but the back door is spotless. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks very good, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Trunk looks very good. The back bumper looks good as well. I'm not seeing any scratches on anything here at all. Okay, let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. I do see that on the light there may be a little scratch, but the wheel has no curb rash. Move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look very good. I'm not seeing any scratches or door dings at all. Now let's take a look at the last fender and wheel. Everything here looks fine. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside, and we're going to start with the driver's seat. Okay, everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, the passenger side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. All right, perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the shifter, the buttons, everything looks brand new. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. All right, the steering wheel is in really good condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear with the buttons, and the leather and stitching looks fine as well. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.